Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a temporary Gmail account and password. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Gmail Nader and press Enter. Click on the Gmail Nader link from the search results. Once the website opens, it will automatically generate a temporary Gmail address for you. This address can be used immediately for registrations or online forms. Click it to copy the address to your clipboard. Now, whenever a website asks for an email, you can paste this temporary address. If the website sends a verification email or code, click the Go or Inbox button on Gmail Nader to open the temporary inbox. All emails sent to your temporary Gmail will appear here, allowing you to view or copy confirmation codes without switching platforms. So that's basically how you can create a temporary Gmail account and password. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.